दोस्तों आज का वीडियो एक गुड न्यूज़ है स्पेशली फॉर द सीबीएसई स्टूडेंट। सीबीएसई ने सेशन 2021-22 के लिए बहुत सारा पोर्शन डिलीट कर दिया है। तो आज मैं क्लास 10th के लिए बताने वाला हूं कि क्या पोर्शन डिलीट हुआ है, क्या तैयार करना है, क्या नहीं करना है। तो सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं फ्रॉम चैप्टर 1। चैप्टर 1 इज रियल नंबर्स। रियल नंबर से आपको तैयार करना है फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक एंड क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन दिस and decimal representation, and also the square root questions done in earlier classes. From chapter 2 polynomials, zeros of the polynomials and their relationship between the coefficients and zeros you have to prepare. Rest of the portion you have to leave. Then from chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables, cross multiplication method is left, deleted. Rest of the portion you have to do. From chapter 4 quadratic equation. From quadratic equation their problem sums are excluded. Problem sums not to prepare. From chapter 5 AP arithmetic progression, you should not do applications based on the sum of the terms. That portion is the problem sums are deleted. Rest of the portion you have to do. From chapter 6 triangles, everything you have to do, and two theorems with proof you have to do, that I will tell at the end of the video. Then from chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry, distance formula based questions and section formula based questions you have to do, but not to do the area of a triangle based question. Then from chapter 8 introduction to trigonometry. In introduction to trigonometry you have to do the proof of 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree angles and sums based on sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Then chapter 9 some applications of trigonometry. In applications of trigonometry the problem based on 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree angles should be done. Rest of that should not be done. Then from chapter 10 circles, everything you have to do and two theorems also with proof, that I will tell at the end of the video. Chapter 11 is construction. In construction you have to do the construction of division of line segments and tangents to the circle from an external point. Rest of the construction should be deleted. Then from chapter 12 areas related to circle. In areas related to circle you have to do everything, only you leave the sums which has the sector angle other than 60 degree and 90 degree. Only 60 degree, 90 degree angles, sector angles sums you have to do. Rest of that like 120 or 30 or 35, that should not be done. Then from chapter 13 surface areas and volume. In surface areas and volume frustum sums should not be done. Frustum of a cone is deleted. Then from chapter 14 statistics you have to do mean, mode, median, but in mean you have to do only two methods, that is direct method and assumed mean method. Then in chapter 15 probability you have to do each and everything. Now you listen carefully, the theorems you have to prepare with proof. They will come definitely in exam. That is theorem number 6.2 BPT theorem. BPT theorem, that is also called Thales theorem, you have to prepare with proof. Then theorem number 6.8. Theorem number 6.8 is Pythagoras theorem, you have to do, but its converse not to prepare. Then theorem 10.1, that is the tangent at any point of a circle to the radius through the point of contact are perpendicular to each other, you have to prepare. Then theorem number 10.2, the lengths of tangents from an external points are equal, you have to prepare. Now in next video I will produce there what is the portion of term 1 and what is the portion of term 2, because we have to follow the strictly guidelines of the board. So all the best, thank you, have a nice day.
¿Cómo se llama?